KAC organized Felicitation program to felicitate successful candidates of APSC 2020 on 31st October. 5 people, including 4 children, hospitalized after consuming wild mushroom. Huge quantity of illegally supplied Burmese supari recovered at Khadkhati on 30th October.
The Baptist Christian Hospital Tejpur is hiring candidates for its newly launched HIV and AIDS targeted intervention project at Diphu, Karbi Anglong. Interested candidates can drop your resumes at bchtejpur@gmail.com for the following posts on or before 29th of October 2022. For project coordinator, qualification needed MSW with well-versed in English. For M&E cum accountant, qualification needed BCom with well-versed in English and 1 year's experience. For field worker, qualification needed 12 pass, preferably for male. For staff nurse, qualification needed GNM female with 1 year's experience.
Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 31st of October, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council organized Felicitation program to honor the successful candidates of Assam Public Service Commission APSC Combined Competitive Examination 2020 at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat, New Building, Meeting Hall, Diphu. Looking at the numbers form the history of Karbi Anglong in competitive examinations, the numbers could be seen increasing year after year till date. Many youths from the district had managed to clear the APSC examination and join the services as an officers in various departments. Likewise, this time around, as many as 15 youths from the district had successfully cleared the APSC 2020 CCE and is prepared to serve in Assam Police Service, Assam Civil Service and elite services of the state. Hence, to honor their hard work, sacrifices, dedication and determination they had made right from the start of their preparation to becoming a civil servant, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, led by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAC, organized a felicitation program at KAC Secretariat, New Building on 31st October. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAC, while speaking to us, informed that many youths had benefited the free coaching facility provided by KAC. KAC had also provided financial assistance to all the youths who cleared the preliminary stage of the APSC CCE 2020.
So EPC by EPC ki ununji aphan akejo ipen log apethan nake Karbi Anglong Autonomous Constituency itu pihon tapi ki undun na main exam ki undun na tum aphan tame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kerap ki onno la pen non unde pen aphan tame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kerap rumlo.
News report, Karbi Anglong Live. Mushrooms are eaten globally. It has high nutritional value. Different species of mushrooms are consumed based on their taste and aroma, but not all mushrooms we find at our surroundings are consumable. Some of them are poisonous and has the potential in taking someone's life. Likewise, on 29th of October, Alika Singh Narpi, resident of Monsing Ingti village, along with her 4 children, hospitalized after consuming wild mushrooms bought from the market. It was reported that right after consuming the mushrooms, vomit, stomach ache, dizziness, joint pain and fever, such type of symptoms were experienced by the victims. Hence, they were immediately rushed to Dilai dispensary for health checkup. Due to high severity of the illness, the victims were referred to Diphu Medical College and Hospital. On hearing this news, Nobin Rongpi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, Dilai Head Branch, Dilai Police, along with the concerned citizens of Dilai, extended their assistance to transport the victims from Dilai Dispensary to Diphu Medical College and Hospital for further treatment. The village headman, while speaking to us, informed that he had no idea on what type of mushrooms the family had consumed and from where they had collected, as he was not present when the incident occurred.
mà có nắp bên đó cái mung thằng cái lông này mà có sau này cái là số mar bằng pli bên là này hem nil hem sau đó bang chỗ long cái non bằng cái đặc để lại dispensary ta van lao đặc bên non này mà non pharmacy long sẽ thôi à.
One of the victims, while speaking to us, informed that they didn't had any clue on what type of mushroom it was. Her mother insisted to buy it from the market. It was bought and prepared with rosella. After consuming it, they began to experience differentiate unusual pains throughout the body.
It's a token in flirting.
Flirting. Non chalo ma.
Sabo mem chalo.
Non bang pasal nanti tu mem chalo ma.
Dami jalan nilang joy solan tak.
Lang joy solan.
On 30th of October, Nobin Rompi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, later informed that a sign of relief was found and the victims are getting better day by day. Bijoy Rompi's report from Dilai for KAL English Live. On 30th of October, due to vigilant surveillance of Khatkati police, as many as 24,000 kilograms of Burmese supari was recovered at Khatkati police check gate along National Highway 39. It was reported that Khatkati police, while performing its routine checking at the checkpoint, a 10-wheeler LP truck bearing registration number RJ39GA0759 was intercepted in suspicion of carrying some contrabands along with it. Upon rigorously search, Khatkati police recovered 300 bags of dried betel nuts, Burmese supari, from the truck. Bhagirat Sharma, driver of the truck, was arrested in connection to this case. The truck was destined to transport the contrabands to Rajasthan. Raju Dwara, OC of Khatkati police station, informed the media that the value of the contraband seized could be worth ₹4 crores if sold in an open market. The case was supervisioned by John Das, APS SDPO of Bokajan. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.